the Rangareddy district, the tragic bus accident has claimed 19 lives, but Congress leader V. Hanumanta Rao has expressed his condolences to the victims' family, but he stirred a controversy with his latest remarks linking the accident to the recent free bus rides for women. He said more women are now traveling in large numbers. He's called on the government to announce compensation and urged authorities to take stricter measures against speeding to prevent such tragedies in the future. So the political war of words now erupting out of this tragic accident.
तेलंगाना में खुसूसन सेवेल्ले से विकाराबाद के रोड पे एक ट्रक और बस का एक्सीडेंट हुआ, सुना अभी मेरे टीवी में देखा। बस में जो मिनिमम फ्री बस देने के बाद बहुत से लेडीज ज्यादा बसों में जा रहे, उसमें समझता हूँ बस का कैपेसिटी 50 रहता, उसमें कितने लोग मरे, कोई 12 बोल रहा, कोई 17 बोल रहा, कोई 19 बोल रहा, मगर जो भी है उनका मेरा डीपेस्ट कंडोलेंस है। एक्सीडेंट्स सिंगल रोड अभी डबल रोड बनने का था, पूरा नहीं बना। मैं देखा, मैं शेवला जाते विकाराबाद के जाते फर्गी के तरफ तो डबल रोड हुआ, इधर नहीं हुआ। इसका जल्दी काम केंद्र सरकार जो है, आप मिनिस्टर गडकरी जरा ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये डबल 4 लेन रोड को स्पीड करेंगे तो फर्दर कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं होता। ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ, इसमें लोग कितने मरे, उनको मेरा डीपेस्ट कंडोलेंस और सरकार उनको एक्सग्रेशिया।
Let me go across to Shomit, who's getting us more from the reactions that are coming in. Shomit, political reactions coming in, and Congress now, blaming this entire tragic accident onto the free bus rides that the government has doled out for women. Rather bizarre link to be made.
The 19 people are dead and 3 are in serious condition, and around 20 were injured, and all of them have been shifted to 2 different hospitals. So it's very unfortunate incident, and when it comes to on ground, already better medical treatment is being provided. And when it comes to the political reactions, now Congress, one of the senior most leader, Hanumanta Rao, former PCC president, former MP, has now stated that because women are being given free rides in the buses across the Telangana, they are traveling in the buses in huge number, and that is the reason this accident happened, is what indirectly or directly he meant. And also he said that he has extended his condolence message, and at the same time he has also expressed that immediately better medical treatment should be provided. So this is what we are seeing on ground right now. We are also reporting from one of the private hospital where the patients are admitted, so we can, if we could clearly see, all the ambulances arrived and the police have also arrived here. And we can clearly see the situation here. It's very sensitive, and like I said, it's very unfortunate incident happened, reported at the near the Chivella in Rangareddy district. So all the ambulances just now arrived, and one side review meeting is going on the other side, minister and all with his meeting with all the top officials, and all the ambulances arrived here. And just we are ahead of, we're right now standing just meters away from the casualty, so there is no signal there, so we can't we couldn't show these inside shots. But as of now, all the ambulances arrived here, 14 patients are admitted here, and a few patients already they're discharged from this hospital. And as of now, better medical treatment is being provided to all the patients at 2 different hospitals. This is one of those hospitals. This is private hospital, and one is the government hospital. So normal for minor injuries, who received minor injuries, they have been shifted to the local government hospital, and who received some grievous injuries, they have been shifted to this hospital. And we even spoke to the medical superintendent. He said that we received fractures, and they will be operated eventually, might be today later or tomorrow morning, and all of us others are in stable condition, and even who received fractures, they are also in stable conditions. They are also in stable condition, and they will be treated by tomorrow. And as of now, scans are being conducted, and also all the doctors.
Okay, Shomit, I'm going to come back to you. Let's play out for our viewers how the BJP has now reacted to the statement that has been made by V. Hanumanta Rao.
तेलंगाना में एक भीषण एक्सीडेंट हुआ है बस और ट्रक के बीच में, जिसमें लगभग 20 लोगों की जान गई है, ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है। पर इस पर शोक प्रकट करने के बदले, इस पर दुख प्रकट करने के बदले और इस पर जिम्मेदारी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी फिक्स करने के बदले तेलंगाना कांग्रेस और कांग्रेस के नेता मृत पैसेंजर्स और महिलाओं पर दोष डाल रहे हैं। वी हनुमंता राव, जो राहुल गांधी के करीबी नेता माने जाते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि फ्री बस राइड दे रहे हैं, महिलाएं जो है आजकल इसका फायदा उठाने के लिए बसों में चढ़ जाती हैं और यूज करती हैं और इसीलिए बस की ओवरक्राउडिंग होती है और एक्सीडेंट हो गया। मतलब कितने शेमलेस है, कितने ब्रेजन है अपनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी कि एक्सीडेंट क्यों हुआ, रोड सेफ्टी का पालन क्यों नहीं हो रहा था, ट्रक और बस के बीच में जो कोलिजन हुआ उसमें एक्चुअल स्थिति क्या है, बस के ऊपर जो सवाल पैदा होते उसके बारे में बोलना कि रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट की बस थी, नहीं, अपनी जिम्मेदारी से हाथ धोकर महिलाओं को ब्लेम करना, ये कांग्रेस की मानसिकता है। और वो भी उस समय पर जब इतनी बड़ी त्रासदी हुई है, जब लोगों के बीच में जाकर माफी मांगनी चाहिए, कंडोलेंसेस एक्सप्रेस करना चाहिए, वो लोग को ही, विक्टिम्स को ही और महिलाओं को ही ब्लेम कर रहे हैं।
All right, we're slipping into a short break at the moment. News and updates continue on Times Now.